Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to be walking you through how you can make these birthday number collages that you can either print out and use for yourself or you are able to sell on Etsy. First thing we need to do is head up to create a design, and we're going to type in here A2, and that's going to give us the option for an A2 portrait poster. Next we need to head down to apps because we're going to use the app called Collage Maker. So we are going to type in Collage Maker. The first one here is the one that we want to use, so select that option, and that has now opened the Collage Maker. In order to get the numbers, we're going to head down here where it says template and it says heart, and we're going to change that, and now it's going to give us loads of options: cats, dogs, hearts, letters, nature, numbers. This is the one we want, so we just need to use a little arrow to scroll across and select numbers. You can now select a number of your choice, so let's use a number 7. Now we need to change the collage layout, so you can have masonry, grid or split. So we need to choose grid, and as we can see now it's split that up. Here now we can determine how many rows and columns we want to use, so you can increase or decrease that number, and if we just scroll down we can see here now that that is altering the number of frames up here. So again we'll do it with rows, and we'll just increase that to 6 as well. This option here is if you want a gap to be in between your rows and columns, so I'm going to change that to just be 1. We don't want it massive. And here you can change the stroke size, and again I'm just going to make that 1. And you can also change the stroke color. Let's make it blue. Now we need to select add to design, and that's now added our number 7 to our canvas, and we can just enlarge that now. So once we've got that ready, we are now ready to enter pictures into our frame. So for this I'm just going to head back up to elements, and I'm just going to type in boy birthday, and there we can see now. Let's have a look under photos. We can see now we've got lots of options for boy birthday, so we can now just go through and select those and just drop them in to the frames just to make it look really cool and funky. So once we've gone through and filled it up with our pictures, if we have any gaps like under here, then we can select the frame and we can just turn that into a colour just to finish it off, because I don't think if you was to put a picture you're really going to see anything. So in that case I'm just going to fill it in just with a bit of colour, just so that it looks a little bit more cohesive and matches the rest of the frame. So once we've got that, we can now just position that where we want it to be, and we can see now that Canva has snapped it into the centre. Once you're happy with the photos that you've selected, we can now add some text. So we can head up to text, and we are going to add a heading, and I'm just going to type in happy birthday, what should we have, Louis, happy birthday Louis. Now we can change the font by going up to the font options at the top, and I'm going to choose apricots because I quite like that one and it's a free font. So we can now make the font larger, but I'm just going to bring out the box because I want it to go all the way across the frame. That's better. And there we go. And then I think I'm going to adjust the line spacing slightly because Louis is a bit far down, so we can play about with the text. And then now I'm going to change the colour of that, and I'm going to make that blue. So now we have our text and our frame. So now we can go to add a subheading, and I'm just going to put 1st August, so that's going to signify that's when their birthday could be. And again we can change the font of that one as well by heading up to the font options at the top and just choose something a little bit nicer. There we go. And again we can enlarge that. Now there's lots of options you can do. You can leave all that at the bottom. You could put the text above the number if you wanted, so you could take the text and you could pop it at the top of the number and bring the number down and position it like that. That would also look really cool. And then also if you wanted, you could head up to elements and you could add some elements. So we could type in present, we could get some graphics like this one. We could use this present and we can shrink it a bit, and we could position that down near the date at the bottom, and we can also duplicate that and pop it at the other side as well. And then if you wanted to, you could also add some balloons. So we could click on balloons and we could select balloons, shrink that down, and then you could have a present with some balloons coming out the top, and again we'll duplicate that. It depends how fancy and how decorative you want your birthday banner to be. You could leave it plain, you could add some elements, you could add a birthday cake. The choice really is yours, and that's a really quick and easy way that you can create a very personalised birthday number collage inside of Canva to wow all your guests at your next birthday party. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.